Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Facebook, YouTube, Cflix. Today we're going to be doing a Loveworld worship song, Omnipotent Father. And I'm going to be playing it in a key of C sharp. So here is where I say if you're a beginner and you really want to learn the piano, I have a free course for you to be able to learn and play for your church. I have 23 videos in my link or the playlist, or in the description box below. You will see a beginner playlist. Click on it and then it will take you to the very first lesson after lesson after lesson. Give yourself 6 months, and 3 months you should be able to play some of the Loveworld worship songs in your church. Just be disciplined enough to practice daily, and that'll be all. All right, so irrespective of the key that the song was played in, you can play it in every other song, in every other key, and then you should be able to understand the chord progression, the number system, and then the application becomes very simple for you to play. So you can play "To You All Praises Be, To You All Praises Be" as your intro. So let's see. On the key of C sharp, we'll be starting. Again. Okay, so let me slow it down again for you. So chord 4, 5, 6. So you can do that as your intro. Then the song begins with a 4. Alright, so it's a 4, 6, and then 5. Now the 5, I would rather play this to, I want to play a suspension in it. This is 5. I can add this to it, but I want that tension in it. So Omnipotent Father, ever present to you praise. This is a normal 5. Let's start from the beginning to where we've gotten to. Okay, for the last one. Which you already know, but when we're going to be playing the from 4, you come to a 3. The 3, we're going to be playing the 5, the suspended 5 that we played, and then we play it over the 3. So, Lord, we give you thanks. Then we go to 4 again. We proclaim. Then this time around, 6. Your name, you are King for love kings. 3. Then this time around, we're going to be doing 2. You are Lord, love. So from here we come to a 2, 6, and then so Lord, we give you thanks. 3. We proclaim your name. You are King of kings. You are Lord of love. Then the last part. Glory and honor, dominion and power, it belongs to you. Okay, so this time around, I'm going to be playing the normal 5. Glory and honor, dominion and power, it all belongs to you. 4, 4, then to 6, 6, 5. Dominion and power, it all belongs to you. To you our praises. Alright, so I hope you're able to note down the quotes and follow as much. Thank you for being a part of this tutorial. See you in the next. God bless you. Bye bye.